Do you want to know how to make your own mineral water and deal with all of the microplastics and forever chemicals that are making you and your family sick? Boost your water in a natural way with ancient mine mineral sources that are like potassium weighted so that you can get back to sleep, you can detox better, you can deal with anxiety and stress better. And you're going to want to make sure that these trace mineral elements are part of the water that you're intaking so that it can be properly absorbed and so you can detox your body correctly, okay? Do you ever lose stuff in your refrigerator? Anyway, trace mineral blends, okay. Some of us are already drinking heavily filtered or RO system water that doesn't have trace mineral elements in it. And you go online, people say, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter, but it matters because we don't want to just push water. We want the water to be sticky, right? We want it to not just flow through us. We want to hydrate correctly. We want to push it into our cells, and we want to make sure that we're detoxing our cells properly and dealing with all of the advantages that come from trace mineral elements, and in particular potassium, so that we can get that balance between healthy sodium, potassium, and hydration back together to work for us. So this is the basis of an I Drink Living Water kit. So we've got a stainless steel spigot on an arsenic and lead free glass container that we use for counter storage, because after we've distilled our water, we want to make sure that we store it in something that isn't just going to add the garbage back into it, okay? So then we're going to take a 32-ounce receptacle, because that little bamboo spoon that comes with the trace mineral kit, it's set up as a 1/4 teaspoon, and that's all you need from a trace mineral standpoint to be able to revitalize the water correctly, make it taste good, and make it really healthy. So what we're going to do is we're going to fill this guy up, and we're going to take it all the way up to the rim, okay? So if you pick up the I Drink Living Water kit, you're going to get everything that you need combined to be able to make your own mineral water and to be able to just produce water that you know is 99.9% pure without all the other garbage in it and without having to deal with reverse osmosis systems and consultations and hocking filters into landfills and having more PVC pipes installed in your house. Trust me, we've all got enough PVC pipes stuck in our house. Okay, we don't need any more of it, especially if we're worried about our health. So listen, we've got 32 ounces of completely pure water. Let's take it to the next step. This mineral blend. Okay, listen, check it out. It's an ancient mine trace mineral blend. It's potassium weighted. It comes from ancient mine sources, so that the pink salt and the potassium are actually being mined in depths underground and not exposed to forever chemicals and microplastics, okay? I'm going to take this spoon that's been designed. It's a bamboo reusable spoon, and we're going to flatten out 1/4 of a teaspoon. That 1/4 of a teaspoon goes, boom, right into 32 ounces of completely pure water, okay? That leads us to the final step. Now, by the way, if you've got kids, they just love doing this, okay? Like, this is like amazing. Anyway, so we've got a frother, and this comes with I Drink Living Water kit as well, and you can tell it's going really quickly. And we're going to put it in here, and what it's going to do is it's going to create a vortex. One fun fact about water is the colder it is, the more oxygen it can hang on to. So what we do is we put it in the refrigerator and we let it cool down, and then we give it one more blend, okay? After you're done, what you're gonna have is a completely clean, microplastic, forever chemical free mineral water on a still basis that you're going to be able to revitalize your health with. So the question was, can I make my own mineral water? The answer is absolutely you can. Listen, all of the stuff that's involved here is all in the I Drink Living Water kits. And if you're dealing with filtered water already and you're kind of not sure what to do about all the plastic and the filters and the stuff that goes along with it, don't get me started. Anyway, what you want to do is you want to make sure, if you're already drinking filtered water, that at least you deal with the ancient mine blend. You want to get trace minerals back into it to get that electrolyte function, clean sodium balance back in your body so that you can improve your sleep, you can fight anxiety better, you can recover better at the gym, and you can keep your family healthy and safe, okay? Anyway, it's called I Drink Living Water. It's the Ancient Mine Trace Mineral Blend, and it is the home kit to be able to make your very own mineral water and reduce your costs while doing it, okay? The entire system costs about 1/3 of what the average North American household is spending on water in plastic bottles right now, okay? So grab a hold of it, like, follow, and stay with us as we continue to explore the wonderful and mystifying world of water. Thanks for taking the time.